everyone, it's Sprinkle of Kale here. Today we're going to be making pistachio creme. So this pistachio creme is absolutely amazing. It's fantastic with croissants, dessert pizzas. It's just a very sweet and nutty paste and cream, which you can add to ice cream as well. That's a popular thing we do at home here. So it's very versatile and you can keep it in your fridge for a couple of weeks. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, the ingredients are the following. Really simple. So we have got 60 grams of butter or margarine. I'm using margarine here. 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And then we are using 300 grams of pistachios, shells removed but the skins are still on. 200 grams of white chocolate. And we've got just under 400 mils of milk. Okay, now we're going to bring the water to a boil. And when the water is to the boil, we're going to be adding the pistachios. After 4 minutes of boiling, remove from heat, drain, and then place on a tea towel. Okay, so here we're just rubbing the pistachios with a tea towel just to help remove those skins. This is the most difficult process of this recipe, is removing all of those skins from the pistachios. So this will take you probably 20 minutes to half an hour. So hang in there, it's worth it in the end. Okay, so now we're going to add the pistachios, the icing sugar, and then a little bit of milk at a time to the blender. We're going to blitz that until it's a nice smooth consistency. That's the key here, smooth consistency. Okay, now I'm going to be melting the chocolate in the microwave for just 30-second blasts at a time until it's nice and melted. So now you're going to be adding the pistachio paste back into the bowl with the margarine and with the white chocolate. Now in this part here, I've actually got the bowl over a pot of simmering water, and I'll explain a bit later why that is necessary. So just make sure that you've got the pot to the boil, and then you're just stirring all the ingredients together, and keep on stirring and just let those ingredients cook. That's the reason why you want to cook this over the stove, because you see how there's no oily glint there, but look at the shine there. Okay, so that's the reason we cook it over boiling water, because it brings out those gorgeous flavours of the pistachio. And it's always important to taste your own food. That is so good. So good. And you can use it for anything. You can use it for filling croissants. Have a beautiful croissant that will take you back to Italy. You can also put on dessert pizza with fruit. You can also, enjoy it with a bit of bread. I'm going to put some in some ice cream tonight, and it's the only thing that's really difficult with this is the time it takes to peel the skin. That can be very, very arduous process, but the result at the end, you've got an absolute gorgeous pistachio cream that will last you 2 weeks if you don't eat it within the first few days. But if you like what you see, please like and subscribe.